Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a pie garden easy method. Start by selecting a sunny spot and measuring a 3-5-foot circle for your layout, then sketch your plant wedges. Prepare soil with compost and a balanced fertilizer, aiming for loose, well-draining texture. Group plants by water needs and height so taller ones won't shade shorter ones. Mulch lightly to retain moisture and reduce weeds. Water gently after planting and monitor. Sketch a pie layout on paper to plan plant placement before you dig, keeping access paths in mind for harvesting. Use wedges for different plant families to simplify watering and pest control. Place taller varieties in the center wedge and dwarf or trailing plants along the edge for a layered look. Consider repeating colors or textures to create balance. Label wedges to track what you planted and where. Loosen soil to a depth of about 8 inches and mix in compost to boost fertility and drainage before planting. Plant seedlings at their original soil level, firming soil gently around roots to remove air pockets. Space according to each plant's needs and water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil. Add a thin layer of mulch to conserve moisture and suppress weeds, and adjust watering as seedlings establish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.